Okay, we're still on this worksheet right here, and I'm going to start at number 7. From 7 through 18, you do not have to do the electron configurations, but there's something new on number 7. Let's take a look at it. There's subscripts. So it's CBr4. Okay, so that's telling you that there's 4 bromines. Okay, so what you're going to do is C, Br, 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 Br. Okay, and then we put the dots. It still works the same based off the valence electrons. Okay, so no, well the valence electrons do. Yeah, the valence electrons tell you how many dots to put. So again, for carbon, we put 4 dots because the valence is 4. Carbon, I'm going to put 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for bromine, it's right here. Okay, so I need to put 7 dots for bromine. So for each bromine gets 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I do that for every single bromine. So you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a lot of dots, but that's how you do it. I'm going to do some more of those. I also want you to continue doing the ionic notation for, you can't do it for carbon, or I don't want you to because it's in group 4, but you can do it for Br. So Br, the charge is -1. You can just write that off to the side. These are 2 different things. I'm having you practice both at the same time. So you're doing 2 things. You're continuing to do the Lewis dot structure, and then you're writing the ionic charges. I'm going to do, so that was number 7. I'm going to do number 8 with you. PCl3. So what that means is there's 3 chlorines. P, Cl, Cl, Cl. So I'm going to look how many dots P gets. Here's my chart. There's P. Go up. P gets 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's P's done with the dots. I'm going to go to chlorine. How many dots does chlorine get? Here's chlorine. I go up. It gets 7 dots. So each chlorine gets 7 dots. 1, 2. If they already have 2 dots, you don't add. Like, it can get a maximum of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you look, my P here, my chlorine here still has 7, and my P still has the 5 it needs. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just kind of going to highlight this. So again, chlorine needed 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My P still has what it needs, which was 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the rule is that it can't have more than 2 electrons, like on each side. So I'm going to continue doing this one. You can try and then look to see if yours is the same as mine. So again, chlorine needs 7 dots. Okay, that's how that would be complete. Every chlorine has the 7 dots. And you don't have to circle it, I'm just showing you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this one needs another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my phosphorus needed 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that's complete. I'm going to keep working these out with you because it can be complicated. But again, it's just you're just putting dots. For however number the valence is, that's how many dots each element deserves to get. I'll go ahead and do number 9. Oh, I forgot to put the ion notation. P is going to be -3. Cl is going to be -1. And I'll show you why. P is right here. And the charge is -3 for this whole column. And then Cl is right here, and the charge is -1. So that's why Cl, if you're writing the charge on it, is -1. Do you guys have any questions so far? So I'm going to work on number 9, which is H2S. So it's an S, and there's 2 H's. If I look at my periodic table, S is right here, and it deserves 6 dots. I did it like this, knowing that hydrogen gets 1 dot. And there's their 1 dot. Let me show you another, what I was thinking you guys might have been thinking. I could be wrong, but you may have wanted to do S gets 6. Okay? But then when you put your dots for hydrogen, this works, but you can't do it right here because there can't be 3 dots. So that's why you did it like that up above. What the dots are really showing is a bond, and we'll get to that. But I'm sure you've seen, you know, lines with elements connected. It's 2 dots per line. So then my charge for H is +1. I'm going to let you guys kind of practice and work your way through it. If you have any questions, just call me over.